Hi there, I'm Sri Demla. Stay with me because this video has no sales pitch, just my story. I encourage you to watch this till the end. You may just find a piece of you reflected in this journey. Let me start by sharing a little bit about myself. I'm someone who has always felt invisible energies around myself right from the time when I was a little girl. Back then, I would sense sparkling lights and energies, and I would play with them as they would just swirl around me. One day, I told my mom, what if while you're worshipping for an idol in front of you, the energy of the goddess is standing right next to you? As you can imagine, my family did not quite know what to make of it. So they thought it was my imagination or just a phase of my life. But the truth is, it was not. It was real. Have you ever felt something so unique about yourself that the others don't understand? It's a strange feeling, isn't it? When I shared these experiences with my mother, she tried everything from rituals to protective prayers to remedies to just fix me. So, like any other honest, obedient little girl who wanted to fit in, I just blocked that part of my self awareness. I focused on my studies, built a successful career in financial planning, and I became someone who was normal by everyone else's standard. But deep down inside, I always knew that there are beings around me and there is something waiting for me. You know what? Life has its own way of stirring up towards what you are meant to do. In one of my darkest phases, where I experienced work pressure, depression, feeling of loneliness, I began reconnecting with those energies. The energies that I had buried long ago. I dove into the courses of mind power, Reiki, hypnotherapy, angel healing, and slowly I healed myself and I found my purpose, guiding others to connect with their angels and to unlock their own intuition and powers. By now, I have had a privilege of mentoring 80,000 plus students and working closely with more than 4,000 premium participants, helping them to tap into their gifts and to heal their lives and bring light to others. I'm sharing this story with you because I believe it might resonate with you. What is something unusual you remember doing as a child? Maybe you felt judged for it. Maybe you dismissed it as weird. But what if that is where your true magic lies? If you are curious to know more, just reply yes to this video. I would love to take you along on this journey. Let's discover that part of you that is being waiting to shine. Thank you for giving me your time and openness. I look forward to connecting with you further and hearing your story. With warmth and gratitude, this is Sri Devla signing off, guiding you to reconnect with your angels and unlock your highest potential. Just remember, they say everything happens for a reason. Maybe this is your sign to take your first step towards your spiritual team and your own self to discover your own wings. See you soon.